Hello, literature lovers. Today, as you can see, I'm discussing English as mother tongue. Since how we can study English as mother tongue, this topic is quite relevant nowadays since English is spreading and the detailed version is very important. So, how we can make English and what are the uses and knowledge related if we have English as our mother tongue, what the concept is all about and how we can understand about it is knowing when to use the mother tongue and when to use English in the classroom is one of the hardest decisions to make. So how we can study and how we can teach others, what are the recommendations related to it, since mother tongue is so encrypted in our mind and it obstructs sometimes, and many writers have recommended that teachers should only use English, that the mother tongue in other words not should be allowed. So it's quite a relevant thing, and this method I personally like, that English should be used as mother tongue and mother tongue should not be allowed at all. And this is not a view we take especially for the young learners. But firstly, since it is impossible to learn anything unless you relate to it, when you already know, that means that children should always translate even if we tell them not to. So it's quite natural thing that mother tongues in fact comes between the path of learning English. So how we can think? So there is an argument related and that we should positively encourage students in the learning process that they should learn English naturally starting from the primary school, and this is a case not in the related to foreign language. Just think like a mother tongue. Now other thing that can be used for English as a mother tongue, an important thing for the children in the sense of security in the classroom, since we relate to mother tongue and since mother tongue is quite frequent, you can easily mix mother tongue with English that will really use. Thirdly, using mother tongue means that it is possible to do more interesting work and complex activities. And so, language, if you use English as mother tongue, then we can also do very different and interesting things. Although it is a danger when we hear very little English, since mother tongue always come in between and it can create problems and confusion and boredom. It's part of the job. Now how can we use, theoretical portion can be a sometime a different, how we can practically use the ideas of EMT, that is English as mother tongue. So giving instruction in English and repeating them in your other tongue. So repetition is quite good, and I personally do sometimes this technique, and you can also try it and it will really help you. Try to use some gestures with English, so that if some words are difficult for to understand in English, but by the gestures you can say come in and you can use the gesture. So it's quite clear that what is the meaning behind it. These are some of the other instructions, like a time process should be given, since we are quite a good learner, we are learner, teacher can use a slow pace to make children understand, since most of the children try to translate in mother tongue, but slowly and gradually this process will stop. Next, previewing can be done to make them understand that which instruction was good enough, which was not, so we can slowly and gradually take the stairs of the upper level. Classroom sections can be made, examples can be taken, we can teach the meaning, some in pairs, some in parts, and phrases can be used, and this is all the things that can be used perhaps. And I hope you must have got an overall idea about how English can be used as a mother tongue. Thanks for listening.